going to talk to you about what you should do if you can't find the driver CD that came with your printer, or you bought a printer secondhand and you don't have any software for it. Most often, manufacturers include software on their websites free for download that allow your printer to work with your system. So you check your manufacturer's website. Usually it's things like Canon.com for Canon printers or HP.com for Hewlett-Packard, or do a quick Google search for your manufacturer. Right here we have the Canon website, and we've gone to their download library, which gives you access to all product downloads and software downloads for things like printers and camcorders. And we've picked our printer model from a list, and we have some options, and the one we're going to choose here is drivers and software. This opens up a window that pretty much lets you choose your operating system and the proper driver that you would need to download. So after you've downloaded your printer's driver, you'll have a file that's a disk image on your desktop. Double click this and it'll open up a new folder on the desktop that's got your package for your driver installation, along with various documentations in multiple languages. So double click the installer package and that'll begin the installation process for setting up your printer with your system.